Hey YouTube, I did some graphics for this one. We're gonna do Ballad of the Band by Felt, and after I do it, I'll show you how to play it. This is the rhythm. Where you been? Ain't seen you for weeks. You been hanging out with the Jesus freaks. That's why I feel like giving in. Where were you when I wanted to work? You were still in bed. You're a total jerk, and that's why I feel like giving in. There's a place for abstract. There's a place for noise. There's a place for every kind of sound. So come on, tell me, why is the void? It's all my fault. Yes, I'm to blame. Ain't got no money. Ain't got no fame. That's why I feel like giving in. And all those songs like Crystal Hall, this Metal Kingdom, you know I love them all. That's why I feel like giving in. Come on, I feel like giving in. One more time. That's why I feel like giving in. All right, all right. It's the verse is G to C, and one down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you go to C, down, down, same rhythm. Just alternate. That's the verse, and then it has a refrain. Just two downs on A minor. So A minor, D, 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 G. And then the bridge is, that's the place where like he's like, there's a place for abstract. A minor to D. Back to the verse. And at the end I was just going G, C, quick change. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Go quick change G to C, and then D, G. That's how you play that song. Thanks for watching. Have fun playing it. Bye.